Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And honestly, what I was going to do and what I am going to do are kind of two different things. I don't think I'm as fond of this as I once thought I wanted to. Well, it didn't turn out the way I was hoping. How about that? So if I add some more colors, maybe I'll be happier. And if I can keep a steady hand, that'll be even better still. But the zigzags weren't very even to begin with, so I don't have a lot of hope with that. Really what I'd love to do is just swipe over it, but I really can't. So I'm going to play and you're going to watch, and then we'll figure out what's going on after that. Maybe nothing. That's up and that's down. Okay, whatever. Usually when I set up a swipe, I like the odd pattern that I get. And if I don't work too hard at it, maybe I'll get something I like. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Of course, it's just lines, and I used to put them in place with a spatula. I really think that if I just keep going, I got a shot. I did this with another piece where I covered over everything. I'm just going to keep trying to pick colors that go sort of kind of with the colors I have and hope for the best. I don't know if that makes any sense or not. As long as the paint will come out. It'd be really good if it didn't get stuck halfway through a stripe. And I'm not sure what's stuck in here, but I'm going to find out right now. There we go. I got it. Cool. I got to throw some paint in the bucket. It's probably not even an eighth of a teaspoon, but still hate doing it. I could have probably done that. I could have probably ribbon poured the stripes. I got thread issues. I got big, long strings of... Oh, come off my fingers. I'm too sticky today. So. Cross your fingers and hope I can do what I'm planning on doing, because I really want to succeed at this. And usually more isn't necessarily better, but sometimes more will rescue a thing. And I'm liking it better than I liked it when I started. I've got a magenta I don't use very often. Whoa. And just exploded onto my painting. Look, fortunately it's dry. I'm going to test that right here first. Alright. I'm going to go... Magenta is very pricey, not something you want to waste if you get a chance. I haven't used any black yet, but I'm really actually kind of stoked that this might work out. Because they were kind of wobbly, but if you combine the new ones with the old ones, there's a shot, you know? As long as I don't drag the bottle across anything that's already there. And even that could be fixed. I need a lighter blue color. I need to make sure to clean up my drips. Just a little bit of everything, wherever it feels like a good idea. Not going to worry about going over the sides too much. I do need a little bit of a steady hand. I think some more white would be good. You need as white pearl is very risky because it's such a large opening. But if I move fast, I got a shot. I don't know. It's not too bad yet. I got something running. Oh, that's from that Floetrol. I don't know why that splooged right out of that magenta, but it did. So they don't have to be perfect, but they have to be sort of cohesive, and I don't know how to explain that any different. I think I'm going to use some black. Try and tell the difference between wet paint and dry paint. And I'm actually coming close to accomplishing something I was hoping for. I might risk some yellow in there. Maybe where the yellow is already. Actually, I think what I want, that dust. It's been hanging around too long. I want something paler. Do I want to do double stripe? I don't. Okay, good thinking. But I do need something different there. I think this is going to be it right here. Similar but not the same. I didn't use any neon pink, and I never do use any neon pink, so maybe this is a perfect time to try and use some of that. As long as it doesn't dribble too bad. Which it kind of just did. I like that. It's getting better. Sort of, kind of, anyway. I think it's getting better. I'm hoping. I'm hopeful. I think it's going to get some minty green from Folk Art. And some more of that blue. Fortunately, it doesn't use all that much of anything to do this. Missed a spot back here. Yeah, I'm not hating any of that. Add a little bit of orange. Go right over the side. Using my finger. Whatever it is, it's an improvement over what it was, so I'm good. And you can get away with combining colors you wouldn't normally because some of them are dry. I'm going to go ahead back and use that neon and hope for the best. Yep, that's not hurt my feelings. That's weird. I got a white. Maybe it needs more white as opposed to less white. Which invites me to use my purple again. Purple neon from Folk Art, multi-surface, acrylic. Yep, that's not hurting my feelings any. I haven't put any extra gold in there. And I haven't put a lot of black in there. I think I'm going to give myself some more of that purple wherever I want it. Who knows, I may never even share this video with people. I want some pale blue, and it's plugged, of course. It'd be nice if I could just get that reamed out quickly. I'm almost out of this color, too. But I think it would be a really good color in here. And, of course, more thread issues. Oh, well. I'm almost done, and I'm so much happier that I did this. I can't tell you. I'm going to put this a bunch of places. I think it just needed finishing. The gold shimmers through from the background really nicely. We've got things going in different directions and it's still working out. Fortunately, controlled chaos sort of thing. I think. What else? Yes, right there. That's what I had in mind, right there. Just picking colors I like. I haven't used any green gold and I think it's definitely time. Where is it? I put it away. Of course I'm not using it because it's not handy. It's just about to pack up and this painting was in the stack of maybes. I think I might even have a new couple colors since I made this. I wonder if I can use some of that copper in there. It's a very pale copper. It's not really copper. I guess it's rose gold almost. Where else? I see something else. It definitely needs some TLC. Just clean up that edge of that purple line by adding another stripe, another zigzag. And while we're at it, might as well come right down here and do it again. The dry background becomes more of the background as I add things on top. And I hope I get away with this. I really want to. In the end, it's a lot of paint. It's better than tossing the canvas. And I am kind of having fun. No doubt about that, actually. In spite of the fact that gnats keep trying to fly up my nose. I'm so close to feeling like I'm done. I ought to tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. And I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Not for this, though. Definitely not for this. I do better when I'm not trying. I am a spontaneous artist. Spur of the moment inspiration, mostly. Oh, that sounded like a mosquito in my ear. I don't like that. I don't know anybody who does like that, actually. My purple just exploded. That wasn't good. Now I gotta figure out how to fix that. I think if I get rid of most of it and put the pink back, I might get away with it. There, hardly notices. Just add a little purple in there. I never did use any yellow. Not my first choice. Hey, that was good! I'm really surprised. I like that more than I thought I would by far. It actually turns out to be very fortuitous that the lines behind weren't even, because when I add the new lines, then some of the old colors still show through, and that's pretty cool. Wow, that's obnoxious. Okay, that was maybe one toe over the line. Come on, mosquito, get out of my ear. I dump my water out. I don't leave it sit too many times. Alright, I'm doing the orange. I've got to call this good pretty quick here. It's got to be like, unless you're interested in listening to the sound of my voice, it's got to be like the most boring video I ever made. So I apologize for that. Just in case you don't mind the sound of my voice. Try not to eradicate anything I like. It looks a lot more uniform than it did before. Which may or may not be a good thing, actually, now that I think about it. Well, it looks like I did something over there that I wish I could clean up. It's not that bad. Let's see if I can fix it. One more. Do I want any more white? I kind of think I do. I wonder what would happen if I tipped this. It'd be a mess, I'm sure. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, if you like what I do, other than this probably, please give me a thumbs up. Watch the videos longer. That tells the YouTube algorithm where to place my videos. And I do sell my art. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I have Teespring clothing with all over print t-shirts and leggings underneath the video. I shouldn't have stuck that in there. But there's a lot of cool stuff happening. I just want to swipe. I just want to swipe some of these and see what happens, you know, just go across a little bit. Boy, I could do that. Maybe not. I think we're okay. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that you can find tomorrow's videos on the community board on my YouTube channel or on Facebook page, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. And if you're looking for a Facebook group to find out what my artwork looks like when it's wet and dry, the ones I have edited from YouTube, that would be Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. And there's another place you can go, Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More. I guess I wasn't done when I thought I was. And you can find the Shop Now button. It'll take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. And it'll show you what I've been posting there since 2013. And I'm actually not completely without being satisfied about this. I'd like to find a row that I think I need gold in and put it in there. And there it is. If only it would come out. If I don't squeeze too hard, I might get lucky. No, not getting lucky. I'm going to have to ream it out. I will talk to you guys. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. If you binge watch, you'll help me out. If you give me a thumbs up, it'd be very appreciated. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you for all the contributions, and look for the monthly drawing to join. It's a $10 minimum donation, but it helps me continue to buy art supplies and make videos for you guys. And you can find the exhibition video that shows you what the prizes are on the end screens of every one of my videos. I'm doing it again. Because there's some paint there that I didn't like. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you anon. I'm just going to be here doing this until you're gone. And I'm okay with those little bits of color showing through. I think I got one more place I need to fix. Somewhere down here. Double stripe never hurt anyone. There. Pretty well done.